How could you miss this? Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2022 Kia Carnival. It was on the auto shop, non-Kia dealership, and they condemned the Alternator, just right here. But since this vehicle is still under factory warranty, so they ship it here. They hire a tow truck and deliver it in here. But for whatever reason, my service manager just decided to go with their diagnosis, right? So one of my coworker replaced this Alternator. So yeah, here is the Alternator, the old one, and there is the new one down there. And the car is still not charging. And they gave it to me, and I'm like, okay, I look at it. But how could you miss a simple thing like this? Look at this, guys. Obviously, well, by the way, I drove it in with my big ass jump box, and look, there is a spark happening here, and I pull this out. Pull this out, and that fuse is blown. There's an open circuit right there, and I'm like, okay guys, that's your problem right here. But their story was the vehicle died while they're driving, and I'm like, okay, it could be so. They condemned the Alternator, my coworker replaced it, and it's not fixed. So it's my turn to figure out. But we found out the fuse is 250 amps. We don't have it. I asked my parts guy, we don't have one, but there is a Hyundai a couple blocks away. We called them, and they do have it. It's right here. It's right here. So let's go ahead and install this guy and let's see what happened. When you remove the battery, always start with a negative, then remove the positive right here. So I think we can undo this with my pen mill. Then we're gonna switch to 12mm to remove this. Okay, so I think if I remove this, maybe I can open this up. Maybe. Oh, you know what? This thing slide out. Yeah. Maybe. Is it out? Yes. Maybe this thing slide out. Yeah? Maybe not. Okay. I think it can be slide up.
Hold on. That bolt's, what if that bolt's holding it in? Or is that...
Well, here is the new one. So I don't think that guy is gonna
Well,
hold
it's
up.
connected to this piece right here.
Yeah. Yeah, so this just like this piece right here. I think as soon as I got this thing free, and then I can able to just pop it out. This thing is just the one who's holding it. Alright. So if I do this, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Maybe. There we go. Then this thing will pop. Oh, look what we did. Yeah, let's go replace it. Careful. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, boss, you are my savior, man. Do you need something?
No, I just
Okay.
came over to hang out.
Nice.
Do nothing else.
You know what? I'm just gonna go replace this one because there's sign of spark here. I don't like other technicians think this one is still bad. Let me find something for that. Here is some of my collection, and oh, this is for fuel. I don't like that. That might gonna work, but I got something better here. Maybe not. Let's go to the other door. Alright. This one should work. At least I don't have that burnt mark. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up right there. Maybe tight the positive one. So I got lever. It's not tight. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up. This terminal seems like it's also beat up. There we go. Hopefully by cleaning it, it's gonna help. There we go. Oh yeah, it is tight. It is tight. So I'm gonna use my ratchet to tighten this. I don't want impact to put this in. So what happened to my 12? Okay. Alright. Now we can clean this terminal. And yeah, when you remove it, start with the negative, then the positive. But when you install it, start with the positive, then the negative one. Alright. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Gotta go this way. Oops, it's not tight. It's not tightening, but it's not tightening. I'll do something about that later, but we'll see if that fuse will fix it, right? So let's put that and put the negative. Oh, we got 11. I think we can able to start the engine, and also we can identify if that starter or the alternator is charging it through this gate. Let's go do this. All right. Oops. Gotta boost this up a little bit. It's 11.4. It should start. You know what? Undo. Press this. Power boost. There we go. Let's crank it again. There you go. Okay, we got 12.4. It's a lot better. It's gonna rise up to 13. And it's gonna get 14. There you have it. There you have it. Now we're sitting at 14.5 or 2.4, which is normal. That means that generator or the alternator is charging the 12-volt battery. This is fixed, guys. This is fixed. Cool. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please, if you're Kia owners, subscribe. Thank you so much guys, and you guys have a great day. Bye.